Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix this error. The version of Vanguard requires UEFI Secure Boot to be enabled in order to play. So this is helpful because if Secure Boot isn't enabled, Vanguard won't let the game run, so turning it on gets you back into the game without the message popping up. So first, restart your PC, and while your PC is restarting, spam the delete key on your keyboard because you want to enter your motherboard's BIOS or BIOS. So ignore the mess here. If the delete key doesn't work for you, just search for your specific motherboard and the key combination that you need to press to enter the BIOS. And then go to settings and then go to advanced. Then click Windows OS configuration and make sure it's set to UEFI. So it might be set to something else. So switching it to UEFI is how you enable the first part. And then after that, click Secure Boot. Then change Secure Boot to enabled. And make sure the mod is set to standard. And that's it. Now you can exit and make sure you save your changes when you leave. Because if you don't save it, it won't apply. And that's how you fix the error. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and I'll see you on the next one.